This is my hamster Rolo. He is pretty much an escape artist. But one way or another he is adorable. He is a very fluffy Syrian hamster.
I need to escape. Oh, hi. Can you skip to the cab, please? Who's human? Please let me out. Please skip to the kitty, I beg you. Yay, the cat is next.
This is the one and only Odin. He loves to scratch and bite me.
Yum, yum, num, num, num. I could eat this all day.
Ya seriously not gonna say anything else, Odin?
Hulu awa. Oh, no, I won't. Can you give me some more food?
Boy, I just gave you 5 dreamies.
Fine, I'll come say hi. Any more?
Oh, Odin, you're so cute.